Yo, what's up, guys? We're back with another live trading video. Today's Friday, 25th July, and yeah, let's get into it. We got a lot of key levels today. We could go either way, bullish or bearish. The one thing I've got my eye on though is on this hourly. We've made an hourly S&T, which is right here. This high to this low, this low to this high. So big signs of bearish there. We've got this hourly for 4-hour fair value gap on this 15-minute inside buy side liquidity. And we've got our main draw on the 4-hour, which is these equal lows. We'll have to see what open does though. Recently, I feel like the reason I've been taking bad trades is because I just forgot what my model looked like. But you know, I took a trade with my model yesterday and it was great. So I'm hoping to look for another trade later, where I target a 5-minute goal and break even at a 5-minute fair value gap, and then take profits at another 5-minute. We'll see. We're moving quite a lot today as well. Like just to this high is 150 points and so on. So I am going to de-risk because we have been moving very quick. Or de-risk like 3 cons. Yeah, hopefully we can bring the account back. We are 2 days away from a payout as well. Again, it should be absolutely mental if we got another payout. Yeah, we're just waiting till open here to really see what we're doing. We've just sweeped out this little intermediate high, which might be turtle soup to go lower at open. Sweep out this, so we might want to just shoot lower at open. But we'll have to watch. Got no hourly fair value gap. We'll look for 15-minute. Okay, we've got this 15-minute fair value gap, which I'll just mark out there. So yeah, I'm always looking for the higher time frame confluences where then we go down to a lower time frame and we see like our inverse fair value gap or something, and then that's when we take the trade, because let's get the highest probability of playing out when shit like that happens. Currently inside this 15-minute bearish show, which we seem to be respecting. Yeah, I'm just watching. Again, this is quite a good pre-market trade. If you were to take this, because we're respecting this 15-minute fair value gap, we swept out liquidity here. Now, obviously, we're already going lower. Well, if we come down to like here, this could be manipulation to this root high. Once again, though, there's a lot of key levels today. A lot. We've got all these lows and we've got all these highs up here. So I honestly, no idea where we're going to go. Wait until the market tells us. That's my plan. Should up this here now. We have got this massive S&T divergence on both time frames here. waiting. Inverse that 15-minute for value, it seems. In this 5-minute. We're in this 5-minute. Seems like we're holding this 5-minute a bit. And if we keep closing above CE of this range, and then we get an inverse, it's quite a good trade. So we're getting a nice inverse here on the 3-minute. So you could take this 1-minute inverse, but it's still a bit risky. You want to wait for the higher time frame. So there you go. Which I've not been doing much of recently. So I've been losing trades. Today we're locked in, dude. Today we're gonna hit a banger, dude. looking pretty damn good. I'm definitely going to take this trade. It's going to be a pretty fast break even. That's if we inverse the gap. Which we have not inversed the gap, so I'm not taking. If I took that 1 minute inverse now, I would have been bit in the fucking ass. It's a good job. We didn't. And we have entered this 15 minutes, got out this high. Right now we're getting 2 minutes to the downside. This could be a really good trade. Getting this change in state delivery as well. What's the risk on this? This just looks really good to me. If we get this 2 minute inverse. This is the first presented fair value gap as well. Yeah, I'm entering this. If we inverse it. I'm entering this. Never mind, we've not inversed it. So I'm not entering it, dude. See, I'm learning, guys. On Monday and Tuesday, I would have been fucking stopped out loads the way I was trading. I was being a spats, dude. Let's see how his minute closes, and then we'd definitely enter it. Yep, I'm in now.
Order filled.
For some reason, all my stuff's reset. Which is a bit odd. The reason I'm in this now and not waiting for this inverse to actually fully close is because we've already made the 1 minute change in street. We respected this bearish fair value gap and inverse this on the 1 minute. And then we have this change in state of delivery. Also sweep of this high as well. Which means this high should just be protected up here. I'm gonna go break even. Probably just add this low. Once it's at this low, I'll probably go break even. I think this is the manipulation of the move as well. We should just see it flood down. Once it taps this low, if it's gonna go any lower, it will go quick. It will speed up. This is an amazing trade. I'm gonna go break even when we close it. I'm gonna go break even now. I'd like to see it just go down. So I'm gonna put my stop just a bit above. So we're gonna take this low. There's that low token. Now we're gonna speed up, take the next low. What we're gonna reject. So here we go. Nice. See if we want to sweep them all out. I'm gonna put my TP just a bit above our our drawn liquidity because just in case it makes equal loss and then rebalances. Yeah, guys, we want this speed up if we want to get down to this low. I'd like to see if this closes bullish, we make an engulfing, which is where we have a bullish candle and then a bearish candle, which is even bigger than the bullish candle. I'd like to see a big bearish candle down now, right next to this engulfing, which also creates an order block. It just shows more sign of us being bearish. I am thinking of adding a position here, adding more too, but I don't think I should. I think my risk is really perfect at the minute where it is. If I do get as close, this is a good change of state delivery. I'm gonna see if it wants tapping. I'll add 2. Looks like we might just want to go lower though. This is our next 4-hour gap here. Could move. Constant encouragements right there. I'm gonna see if we go down to this low and then just trail my stop loss, see if we get more displacement lower straight to constant encouragement. Realistically though, if the trade does stop us out, it's because we should have just put on high size because this is a 1-to-1 trade automatically. Have we tapped? This is changing state. We have not tapped it. Once we take this low, we should accelerate real quick to the equal low, the 4-hour low. If we don't, then there's a high chance of us being reversed and we keep these equal lows until next week. But we'll see. It's nearly macro, which is 9:10 at 9:50 New York. I'm not liking this displacement again to the upside here, but we might just be trying to sweep out this side. Let's see if we can stay below this candle right here, so we don't get a change in state delivery. is macro. That's a brilliant candle so far. This should now be a protected high. That's beautiful. Right at 9, right at 9:50 New York. There's all the lows. I'm gonna trail the stop loss now. So we can go for that equal low. See, we want it.
Order filled.
Stopped us out. It's most definitely going to take us low, most probably, off this candle. So we'll watch it play out. But yeah, what I like doing is moving my stop to here once we take close to an equal low, once we're near our objective. And then once we take the equal lows, which is just under, I'd move my stop here. And then see if we can get constant encouragement. So I've just missed out on like $200, but it's fine. That's beautiful displacement. Right at 910, guys. You can't make that shit up. As soon as the macro opens. Yeah, well, that was a great day. We locked the fuck in like we said we was gonna do. Taking no bullshit trade. We had first presented fair value gap right here. We came up, swept this high, which is also inside of a, if we look in the 15-minute time frame, 15-minute bearish fair value gap. Boom. Swept to the 15-minute bearish fair value gap. Buy side taken again. First presented fair value gap inversed. Change in state delivery. We enter on this candle as soon as we come here. Just a perfect trade. And it looks like we're going to where our max TP was. Let's say in this trade I would be I would have caught a 1 to 3. Just fine, we took our piece of the vine, that's us done. Show some support guys, like, comment, subscribe. Yep, great day.